intro. Today, for today's video, I'm going to be painting my nails. So I've already taken them out. They're pretty grown out right now, but I have my nail polish remover. And I have everything all set up. So I got a little bowl that I'm gonna put the remover in, and I have my Q-tips, my napkin, and the nail polishes that I'm going to use. And I still haven't really decided which ones I want yet. But there's a, let me see, grand apple. Let's see, Grand Snap. It's called Grand Snap, and it's kind of like, so it matches the color of my hair. My hair is kind of like a wild cherry, dark cherry sort of color right now, and so these nails, I've done it before. I did it last week, and this color really matches my hair, so I really like the little matchy match. But I feel like I want to try something different. But then again, it was kind of eating a little bit, so I might do it again. But there's also forest green. I love forest green. One of my favorite colors. I love it so much. I feel like I'm really smacking it on the table. I don't know. I'm not trying to do my bad. There's the apple. Apple is really good. It's like this really bright red. I love it. I love it so much. But no. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm just sitting on the napkin. Oh my goodness. It sounds so loud on the table. I'm sorry. So I have another forest green. I had an extra one, and I have black. I love black. I haven't done black in a while, but I feel like I might do black. I might do black. Yeah, I'm doing black. I've decided. Okay, so I have my colors. I'm going to. So with this video, I've decided that I wanted to try like a little, not a POV shot, but well, no, not really a POV shot. It's more just having the camera facing where my nails are, so you're not gonna see my face for the rest of the video. This is more like a nighttime sort of thing. It's probably 4 in the morning at the moment. It's October the 1st, you know, birthday month, you know. So I'm excited. So I can't sleep. I've been up since 9, and I have to be up at 8 by choice. I'm sorry, by choice. But winter arc. I'm trying. But without further ado, I'm going to start painting my nails. So let's get started. Alrighty, so let's get started. So also, I have a piece of gum in my mouth, so if you guys don't mind the little smacking sound. So even though you're not gonna see my face, you're gonna see my hands, probably with my tattoos. If you guys want a tattoo tour, let me know, because I'll definitely do one. But yeah, you're mostly just gonna see my nails and everything. And let's get started. So how's everybody's day going? I hope everybody had a good day. My day was pretty long. I decided to so I have Mondays off from everything, classes, work. I have 2 jobs now. I'm trying to save up for a car, but yeah, I have Mondays off. And I wanted to start getting used to waking up earlier, because I am not a morning person. I'm not a morning person, and so I want to try and building up my mental waking up early. I don't know, I feel like it's more healthy that way, to have more time of the day instead of sleeping it away. And I don't mind the mornings. It's usually when I have somewhere to be the next day, and I have to be up early. I don't like not having the choice to wake up early. I hate having to wake up early because I have to be somewhere afterwards, you know? I don't know if that makes sense. But that's just how I feel. I'm not really a morning person, but I don't mind the mornings. Yeah, but yeah, I woke up at 9. I kept hitting the snooze alarm, so I didn't get up till like 9:50. But I woke up, brushed my teeth, washed my face. I decided I wanted to do my skincare routine. So that's a pretty long one. My skin has definitely taken. Oh, it's been a long time coming for my skin. Like, honestly, I have my camera on the other side, so if you see me like kind of moving something around, it's because I'm trying to get like a better look close-up shot of me like actually painting my nails, like a 2 double shot. And plus, it got the light on there, so I want you guys to be able to see me. And also, this is the top coat. This is the top coat right here, and I'm gonna use that on top of the nails. But yeah, what do I say? My skin has definitely taken its toll. But I feel like with time and with a good routine, yeah, okay. So I washed my face, and then I decided to clean up my apartment, and I rearranged some things, and I vacuumed and just did a lot of chores. And for some reason, this was like, so I haven't, like with me waking up early, I did not have the motivation to get up, so I have to like play music or like find something to distract me to be productive. When I first wake up in the morning, I have to be productive, or I will fall back asleep by choice. And I just feel like I will not have a productive day if I don't start something with a plan or something. I don't know. I need order for me to be able to wake up like right away by choice. But yeah, I sorry, I'm trying to focus. But yeah, I vacuumed and I mopped, and I saw on TikTok that people put this, like, okay, so It's October the 1st. I'm definitely painting my nails black. If anybody haven't noticed why I'm so excited for October, you might be thinking, oh, she really likes October because of Halloween. No, well, yeah, that is true. But no, that's not the full reason. The train in the background, rude. But I'm just gonna move on to the next topic because I don't know what I was talking about earlier. Let's just pretend like this is like a little hangout between the two of us, a little catch up from all the times we haven't talked to each other. Life's crazy, man. It really is. But it's worth living it. You just gotta try and find your own way in this world and doing your own thing. Everybody's walking their own road. You know? Everybody has their own perspectives in life. You can't force somebody to think a certain way about you. Once a person has an opinion on you, it's too late. I definitely gotta clean these up. so excited. I'm losing my train of thought. Sometimes it flashes back on me. But my birthday is in October, and so I feel like I'm turning 22. No, I am turning 22, but I feel like I need to celebrate it with a little mini accomplishing goals for myself. And I've been wanting to start my YouTube channel back up, but I just haven't had the time. Haven't gotten inspired to do something that you guys would like. And I just feel like, who doesn't like people painting their nails and just conversing with you guys while smacking gum in their ear? If you guys, I feel like you guys should wear headphones for this. I feel like this is more, if you guys want to fall asleep to this, you can, but I feel like this is more a catch up, sit and talk sort of thing, but I feel like it's still relaxing. Alright, people, to the people who paint their nails at home, what I just learned, which is, I'm kind of ashamed that I'm just not learning this, but top coat is very, make sure they're dry. Top coat is very important because it helps secure the color of the nails. And I don't know, I'm so indecisive. I'm just gonna clean them up a little bit more because you guys just vibe. the incident, there was a little minor spillage on the side, but it's okay. Everything's all good. But yeah. My camera keeps wanting to turn off. But yeah. If you guys have made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I don't know why my camera keeps wanting to turn off. Yeah, I think it's time to get to the closing. But I've broken a couple of my nails, and so a lot of them aren't as long as they could be. But they're not perfect, okay? But they're good enough to fool the haters. But yeah. I feel like a good 4 done now. I wish my other camera was on so you guys could see a closer up. That's the best way that I could do it. True. I'm almost done. This was a long process. Surprisingly. I bet if you started all the way over from the beginning and saw the before, you will notice how clean everything was. Last nail. There you go. Alrighty. That's it for my nails for right now. But this is how they look. See? I like how they look. I'm gonna take you guys through the whole process. So I have a small fan, but I don't know where I put you so much for listening.